Gagayem ken kakabsat, intay imatangan, pinaisang sangayan na presentasyon, ti tema kanta itatawin, agkay-kaysa nga Archipelago. Ladies and gentlemen, behold an exceptional rendition of this year's theme song, United Archipelago.
One nation under the same bright sun. Our spirit moves no boundaries, and together we run. One archipelago, one nation, every island a champion. Our legacy shines on and on. Together we are strong. Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, united by the seas, different waters, one dream, in unity we're free. One archipelago, one nation, every island a champion. Our legacy shines on and on. Together we are strong. Through every challenge we face, our wings spread wide to fly. With determination and grace, our dreams reach for the sky. Shines on and on. Together we are strong. One archipelago, one nation, every island a champion. Our legacy shines on and on. Together
Kakaiyan, intay manen imatangan, espesyal sa nga ili itarabi, Angeline Quinto.
Ladies